Napakahirap sa isang magulang na kinakasal ng anak mo na hindi ka kasama. Kaya lang, meron kang mga anak na dapat kong intindihin. At alam mo naman, ang tatay mo wala rito. Ako lang naman ang nandito rin. Ang magiging magandang halimbawa lang sa amin at lagi niyong iisipin para yung maging maganda ang future ng mga anak mo at magiging maayos na pamilya, lagi mong tingnan yung sitwasyon namin ng tatay mo. Hindi ko na-experience sa buhay ko ang laging nag-aaway. Sana huwag dumating yung time na lagi na money is not always source of happiness, but if you don't have money, that is cause of trouble and fighting of the family. That is joke. Pero kung wala kang pera, talagang mabigat na problema. But, siyempre, you work hard for your children, not always thinking about yourself only. At kahit naman ako malayo, at kung meron naman akong maitutulong sa inyo, andito lang kami ni tatay mo para tulungan ka. But not all the time the money because I don't have job anymore. The best gift I can give for you is only to watch your children, to take care of your children. It's only that I can give. But now you are on the situation like me. You can think about your family and be happy always. I always pray for your happiness and be happy family. God bless you. We love you. From tatay and nanay to your sisters also and to your children and to your nephew and niece. We love you. Best